How's it going? Got home late today. I don't really have anything planned, so I'm making another sophisticated surfer single man recipe from scratch. So we're working. I cubed it up, cooking it over low heat. We're also going to put some thin spaghetti inside of this water. And plan is I'm going to put salt and pepper and this spaghetti with the bacon, into this pan with the bacon. And then I'm going to add diced green chilies. And we'll see how that turns out. Wish me luck. Another one of today's main ingredients is Sailor Jerry and Coke. It's very important to use regular Coke and not Diet Coke or Coke, any other flavor of Coke. You can use Dr. Pepper though. Dr. Pepper is pretty good. So that's really going to make this spaghetti taste good. Okay, that thin spaghetti is done. Bring this over here. We're going to add that right to this bacon. Oops. And then that green chili. Scratch my pan, so switch to a wooden spoon. Pepper. Get more salt. Put this stuff back in there that fell out of the pan. You know, because we're environmentally friendly. We don't want to waste any food. We got starving children all over the world, mostly in the United States. And voila, there you have it. There you have it. Another sophisticated surfer single guy recipe original. Green chili, bacon, salt and pepper spaghetti. Give it a try. Let me know if you like it. Okay, I don't normally do this, but to be quite honest, I wasn't entirely sure if that recipe was going to be good, but it was, and I ate the whole entire thing. However, I would have added a couple additional ingredients. After it was eaten, I said this could use some Tabasco. So I would recommend using Tabasco. And I think just one more rum and coke would have made it even better. So go give it a try. Let me know how it goes.